Okay, just had a great session with the squid. I think we got 8 in total. We haven't used the squid bag before. My mate put us onto the squid bag. We used it a couple of weeks back and it just got the tube so nice, so we thought we'd do the same. We got this one, I think it's a hook and scaler bag. It's about $50. Then just for extra security, we're going to put them in a second one. So we'll put it in the green bag first. What we do is you just pull the head off, and the guts out inside, like so. What you can see there, that's the big squid sack. Nice and empty now. He's obviously inked everywhere. Once you've got the tube, the wings, you leave the wings on. The little tip, just cut the end of the tube off. Okay. The reason for that is when it goes through, it just cleans the inside out perfectly. So yeah, end of the tube out, leave the wings on. When you come time to pull them back in, the wings will be separated, the skin will be off, and bang, got a nice clean squid tube. Straight in the bag. Okay, fill all them up. Squid heads. We're actually going to keep the tentacles on this big guy, just because they're good eating. Keep the tentacles on him. Okay, head's great bait, especially for the grassies, the Norwest snappy you get up here. So we'll keep that head, and he might go on a bait a bit later on. These are also going to go. They're going to go in the esky in a second. Yeah, 7 more to go. What we got there is our first bag. We're just going to tie it off halfway up. Alright, so we've got 8 nice squid tubes in there. Gotta loosen this up. Inside, double bagged, pull that tight, pull the crimper down, bang, ready to go. We're just going to tie this onto the cleat here and we'll be good to go. Alright, now we've got the net ready to go. We're moving the boat, don't have to go too fast, don't have to go too slow. Toss it out the back, let it do its thing. We're going to move, find some diving ground now, so we'll potter along, suit up, get ready, then we'll pull it back in and it should be nice and clean. We've just taken the bag out, looking at it, they look pretty good. I don't think I cut the holes big enough on some of them, but just showing you how easy it is to just peel the wings off once you've put it in that bag. Get those wings for bait, and yeah, nice clean tube. Again, wing already ripped off. Bang. Cool.